Are you struggling with the idea of having to invest in an expensive copywriter right now when your business is just getting started and it's not generating the revenue that you want? You probably thought about doing it yourself because, well, you are a decent writer, but you think that this might not be the best idea. I know you're probably going to save about $2,000, but I really do have to tell you that if you don't have any training in sales page copywriting, writing the copy by yourself is just going to actually cost you so much more than it'll save you in the end. I have seen this so many times before. You're going to spend hours upon hours trying to craft that perfect sales page copy. You're going to tweak it. You're probably going to spend weeks on it, maybe even months, and you just want to get it just right. And you're probably going to finish it, but you have no idea if it's going to even work. And all the while, your product or service launch just gets delayed. Your potential customers are going to just slip through the cracks, and your entire sales is just going to go right through the toilet. Today, I want to share with you the key to a high converting sales page copy without breaking the bank. And that is our carefully crafted copywriting sales page workbook from Ready to Sell Templates. This workbook has been tested and refined dozens of times, and it has been used for over 2 years now. And today, it still is helping online business owners nail down their sales page copy and get their courses sold. All right, we're inside our copywriting workbook, and this workbook is specifically for sales pages. Inside the workbook, you're going to get clear instructions. You can either read the instructions or you can take a look at the video tutorial. Now, this is not the video tutorial walkthrough. This is just a quick sneak peek. So if you want full instructions, you'll get that when you get the full workbook. Now, when you are starting your copywriting for a sales page, it's really important that you are in the right mindset. So we start you off with understanding what you need to be thinking about when you're going to go create your sales page copy, because it is nothing like writing emails. It's not like writing blogs. It is very unique. And we want to make sure that you are coming from the right perspective to be able to write the copy so that it attracts the right people. We also include a template copy map. So this workbook fits exactly with our sales page templates. Now, our sales page templates are for KAJABI. So if you don't already have KAJABI, you can go ahead and get started with it for free for 30 days. And you'll get a couple of extra bonuses from us too if you use our partner link that's in the description. So if you already do have KAJABI, you can head over to readytoselltemplates.com and you can go and grab any of our sales page templates that this workbook is specifically for. You'll see here in our template copy map that each of the sections of copy that you're going to be writing fits into the template. So you know exactly where the copy is going to go. So once you start working on the copy, you're going to have a place that you can actually write the copy. Now, before you start writing the copy, you kind of need to get the brain juices kind of flowing a little bit. So we provided you with some prompting questions to help make sure that you kind of get whatever thoughts are in your head out onto the paper, and then you can kind of look at them from the outside and formulate a final copy version. So this workbook is a fillable PDF workbook, so you can download it to your computer and you can write directly right into the workbook. Or if you're a little old school and you want to print it out, you can do that too, and you can just handwrite on it as well. But the key with filling it out on the computer is that when you are finished each of the sections, you can go ahead and just copy the text that you wrote in your final copy. You can go back to your copy map here and you can find that section in your template and just paste it straight in. So you don't have to go and retype it over and over and over again. So it's really quick to go from copy workbook into the template. Now, when you're working in the copy workbook, you might not totally understand what that section is all about. Like, what do I really need to put in a hero section? Sure, prompting questions are going to help, but you might need a little bit more information. So for those that really want to dig in deep and understand what this section is about, or really any section, right? We have this little icon here, a nice button, is our help guide. So all you need to do to go and access our help guide is just click the button, whatever section you're on, and you're going to go and get a clear understanding of what that section is all about. So we're going to tell you what it is, what its goal and its purpose is, and we're going to give you some examples that you can use, either fill in the blank type examples or even examples that were on actual sales pages. So you got everything that you need right here to help you. It's like having your own little teacher right there, and you don't have to go pay for any extra help. It's all here in the workbook. John downloaded our alpha template from Ready to Sell Templates. He absolutely loved this workbook. He even said in his testimonial, which you can see on the side here, that he wished he had this over 2 years ago. And we hear that often, that a lot of our clients, they really need that support on the copywriting. They think that it's an easy thing to do. You can just grab your template and start writing in it, but they find very quickly that they're writing it from their own perspective. They're not writing it from their audience perspective. They're missing a lot of the key points that are there and that are needed for a high converting sales page. So we've really designed this workbook to be able to help you get every single section down and get everything out of your brain onto the paper and allow you an opportunity to kind of reflect from your audience perspective and be able to get that copy that's going to be able to convert your course so you can get it selling. So are you ready to ditch the expensive copywriter bill and go ahead and try this out for yourself? If you are, head over to Ready to Sell Templates and grab yourself a template kit.